Select your WAV file. Mine is located in the drive. I just download it. Next step is to convert this WAV file to MP3 using a free tool. The link will be available in the description. As you can see, I use the lowest quality MP3 so that no one can download a high copy. Now, it's time to tag the MP3. Link is also available in the description. Upload the converted file and accurately fill in the data. Include the cover art too. I forgot to use the same album name as title. This is to avoid the MP3 showing unknown. Cross-check and add it and you're good to go.